Hi there. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add interactive flip cards to your module pages in Brightspace using the Creator Plus tools. These are great for presenting content in a more engaging way, like digital flashcards or question and answer interactives. Step 1. Open the HTML editor. First, click Edit HTML on the content page where you want to add your flip cards. Step 2. Launch Creator Plus tools. Next, click the pencil/paintbrush icon that opens the Creator Plus Tools panel. Step 3. Insert flipcards. Click Insert Element, then select Flipcards. You'll now see a template card labeled Front and Back at the top with sections for a title, an image, and content. This is your customizable flip card. Step 4. Customize the first card. Let's create a card with a question and answer. On the front, I'll title it Question 1 and type in my question. I'm also going to add an image. It's optional, but I find it adds some nice visual interest. Then I'll click on the Back tab of the card. Here, I'll change the title to Answer and type the answer in the content box. You can add another image here too, if you like. Step 5. Add more cards to the same row. To add another card next to the first one, click Add Flip Card Item. This creates a second card in the same row. Customize it just like the first one. Step 6. Add a new row of flip cards. Want to start a new row of cards below the first set? Just scroll down and click Add Row. Then fill out the card content like before. To add more cards to this new row, click Add Flip Card Item. And that's it. Now you have a clean, organized grid of flip cards ready to go.
Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.